If you don't like manual database checks but still do them, then try this Python tool. Imagine this. You've got two databases, Genius One and RetailNet, and they're just not syncing. Enter Python Automation. This nifty tool compares both databases, reports errors, cleans up the mess, and even generates easy-to-read results. Here's how it works. First, it scans both databases for discrepancies. Then, it reports errors in plain English. No more cryptic error codes. Next, it cleans up the database, fixing those pesky issues. Finally, it outputs the results, ready for you to review. Say goodbye to hours of manual labor and hello to efficiency. With just a few lines of Python, you can automate the whole process. It's quick, it's simple, and it lets you focus on what really matters. So why wait? Give this Python tool a spin and watch your productivity soar.